Here's Alex, my big boy, sitting up all by himself. He just started doing this a couple days ago. We have the boppy just in case. Oh, see? Just in case. All right, sit back up. Oh, just sit back up. Oh. Okay, there we go. You want that one? Alex, can you smile for mommy? Alex. 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 Oh, you want the yellow one? Okay, here's the yellow one. There you go. You want green? Okay. Oh. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.